In this demonstration, we are going to walk through the order to cash process. We are going to create a customer, create a sales order for the customer, pick the sales order, pack the sales order, and then invoice the sales order. So to get started, we are going to create a customer by going to Accounts Receivable, Customers, All Customers. When the form opens, you'll notice that we have the new option in the action pane, and we'll click that to create a new customer. The first thing that we'll do is change the type of customer. We are going to click the dropdown and select person. And then we're going to provide some customer account information to get started. In the customer account field, we are going to enter a customer account number. In this case, it'll be JS004. In the first name field, we are going to enter Jake. And in the last name field, we'll enter Smith. And in the customer group field, we will choose 80. Other customers. Then we're going to enter a zip code. So we will scroll down to the Address Fast tab, and in the zip postal code field, we will enter 80246. And this will automatically populate the city and state and county. In the street field, we are going to enter 123 South Broadway. And now that we've entered this information, we are going to click the Save and Open drop-down arrow. And we are going to select Sales Order so we can open a sales order. Now that the sales order form has opened, we are going to enter some information to create the sales order on the Sales Order Lines Fast tab. So the first thing that we're going to enter is the item number. So we're going to type D0002. And the system is going to find the cabinet that is the item we're going to add to the sales order. So we'll select that from the list. And once the item number has entered, we can see that it populates the product name, sales category, and other information here. So next we're going to enter a warehouse. So we're going to scroll over to the right, and we are going to enter a warehouse. We already have a site and a warehouse listed, so we're going to change the warehouse from 13 to 11. Here we go. And then we are going to enter a unit price. So in the unit price field, we'll type 600. And then we'll click Save in the action pane. Now that we've saved the sales order line, we are going to click Sell in the action pane. And then we're going to click Confirm Sales Order in the Generate section. Once the Confirm Sales Order form opens, we are going to take a look at the details here, and then we'll click OK. And it will tell us that we're about to post the document without printing it. That's okay. So we'll click OK. And then it will process the operation. Now that the sales order is confirmed, we can now pick the sales order. So the first thing we're going to do for that is click Pick and Pack in the action pane, and then we are going to click Generate Picking List. In the Post Picking List form, we are going to review the details, and when we're satisfied, we will click OK. And it will notify us that, again, we're about to post the document without printing it, and we'll select OK to continue. Next, we're going to pack the sales order. So still working on the Pick and Pack tab in the action pane, we are going to click Picking List Registration. And once we're on this form, we are going to click the Updates drop-down arrow. And we're going to click Update All. And once we've updated that information, we will close the form to return to the sales order. Now we are going to post the packing slip. So again, in the Pick and Pack tab under Generate, we're going to click Post Packing Slip. On the packing slip posting form, we are going to review the content, and once we're satisfied, we will click OK to continue. And again, we are going to post the document without printing it, and we'll click OK. Now that we have finished packing the sales order, we can invoice the sales order. So again, working from the sales order form, we are going to click the Invoice tab in the Action pane, and in the Generate section, we are going to click Invoice. On the Posting Invoices form, we are going to review the details, and once we're satisfied, we'll click OK. And then it will again tell us we're about to post the document without printing it, and we'll select OK to continue. Now we can see that on the sales order, the status has changed to invoiced. And now we've completed invoicing and we've completed this demonstration, so we can close the form.